We want the smallest positive integer whose digits add up to 2015. Now, to minimize the number of digits, we actually want to maximize the size of the digits. For example, if we want the digits to add up to 27, then we'd want 999. As soon as we go lower, then we're going to have more digits. For example, a 1 and a 9 to get there, 4 digits in this case. And you can have lots of digits if you start putting in zeros and twos and threes and so on. We need these larger amounts to get us there. So 18, 19, 22. I'd need, this is another example that will get me to 27, but this is going to be the smallest. So what I want to do is work out how many nines go into 2015. That'll tell me how many I can use to get to this total. 9s into 20 go 2, remainder 2. 9s into 21 go 2, remainder 3. And then 9 times 3 is 27, but 9 times 4 is 36. So it's going to be that 9 times 3, which leaves me a remainder of 8. Now what that means is I can use 223 nines to make this number. And remember, I want it to be the smallest number, so I can then, I'm not going to use like 4 and 4 to get the remaining 8. I can just use 8. And I'm going to put it to the left because that will necessarily make the number smaller than if I put it anywhere else. We want to make the largest power of 10, essentially, as small as we can. So that's going to be my number. And then we want to know the sum of the digits of n plus 1. So we're simply going to add 1 to this number and see what happens. But what is going to happen? See, if you have 89, or let's go with 899 and you add 1 to it, then we're going to get 900. All of these 9s that we had are going to become zeros, and then we're just going to be adding 1 onto the final digit on the left. So if we take this number, this is n. If we want to find n plus 1, then we're going to add 1 to this, but then it's going to become 0, and we're going to sort of follow through that way. We're going to end up instead with 223 zeros, with the final digit becoming a 9. So the sum of the digits actually, all of these are 0. The sum of the digits is simply going to be this 9. Well done.